Jolie? Did you get a new seat today? Did you get a bumbo seat today? Huh? Are you sitting up like a big girl? Yeah, you're a big girl. Gonna be 3 months old tomorrow, right? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, I know you went out. You went out? Huh? You think you're big stuff, don't ya? Look at those chubby cheeks. Jolie, hey. Jolie, what you doing? Hi. Hi, baby girl. What's that? Is that your giraffe? He sings to you? You like Mr. Giraffe? Here's Mr. Giraffe.
But the poor thing is so frail and lost at home. Can't she at least stay until her remembers come back, Mr. Rand? No. I'm sure I shall have no peace until I do. Bring her in.
Yay! My big 3-month-old girl. Yeah, there she is. Sitting all by herself. Yay, Jolie.
My house is your house for as long as you like.
Jolie, hey. What you doing? Hi, baby. Hey, is your neck getting tired? Are you getting tired of sitting? Nope, there we are. There we are. What was that? Did Boozer run up the stairs?